What you gonna do when the rain is coming down?
Today we have a skim patch we're going to perform in the snow, slush, and slop. There is no way you could patch with hot mix asphalt, but with Easy Street, you can use it in all weather.
Nobody can get what you've done.
We want to free it of debris so that Easy Street can adhere to the surrounding material, whether it be concrete or asphalt. All right, as you can see, all of our edges are exposed. We've removed any of the large and major debris. I'm not concerned about water. Easy Street will displace water and find a place to stick.
Shovel up the dirt, I'm taking shit from them. Bring it.
So now the next step, we'll want to fill this pothole, leaving an inch of crown for secondary road compaction. As you can see, folks, these bags have been in the back of my truck all day. It's snowing, they're frozen, and the product's workable. No need to worry if you add too much or if you add too little. Easy Street's real forgiving. If you have a depression, add more later. I'm gonna leave 1 inch of crown, and then she looks good for secondary road compaction. As you can see, the snow's falling a bit faster than I'm moving. It might be cold, but imagine that. Compaction time. You're probably wondering how I'm gonna do this.
What you gonna do when the rain is coming down? Nothing more to do when the snow is around. Bring it back to you, take it back to you, do it. Keep it up for good when the sky's getting down. All you gotta do is to bring it to the ground. Straight up to your inner mouth.
As you can see, traffic is open and ready. No lane closures, convenient, simple, and easy. Again, all weather. It's snowing out and we just patched. It's nice and even, very forgiving. Showing potholes who's boss and all weather. Thanks, Easy Street.